Audio Jungle.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, welcome back on my channel Crypto Victoria. So, guys, how are you? And here I will tell you another interesting, awesome, unique platform on my channel. As you know, we always talk about Shiba Peep and other dog-like project. So here today I come with a new and totally interesting project which is about on chicken. How good is chicken here? We are the simply the best and so delicious, guys. As you all know that we can't eat without any chicken, and chicken is so necessary for us. So now chicken is in crypto on my channel. So here I will tell you about what is this awesome platform, and I will give you their technomics about our exclusive roadmap, and here I will give you each and everything complete review here, and I have placed all of the official links in video description. You have to simply click and you can, guys. So before starting their awesome review, I would request, if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further amazing new videos notification. As you know, as I always come with an interesting and awesome and new platform in the world of cryptocurrency. So you have to must like and subscribe my channel, guys. So here, welcome to How Good is Chicken. Here you can also see their very beautiful profiles of chicken. You guys, so what is this? So welcome to the world of How Good is Chicken, a fun and innovative meme coin inspired by universal love of chicken and power of blockchain technology that combines humor, community, and purpose to create a cryptocurrency that not just entertaining but also impactful. So this is a more than just a meme coin, guys, and this is designed to reward its holder through a unique ecosystem that includes food theme rewards, play to earn games, also their beautiful, very beautiful NFT collections, and charity driven initiatives. By holding this amazing token, you are not only joining a community, guys, you are joining that values creativity joy, but you are also contributing to projects that support sustainable agriculture, food security, and technology advancement. And these are our qualities no one other platform takes, only this code chicken. And you are a crypto enthusiast or a chicken lover, so you have to invite and you have to be a part of our journey that's both are meaningful and delicious, guys. So here you have to join our communities, like this is our telegram community. Here you have to invite your friends, here you have to join, and this is our, guys, Twitter official account which you have to follow this. And here I am also following, here you can see, and these are the our official links of Twitter website, our telegram community. Here you have to join, and here you can check all of our updates about our amazing platform. So you have to don't miss to your chance to join the clickiest crypto community. You have to spread the wings and soaring to new heights. Here you can see our other very beautiful profiles, guys, and here I will also show you their dex screener graph. Here you can see their price which is increasing, which is completely push at this point. So if you invite your friends, it will be completely bluish on its, and you have to must invite, guys, you have to must join this. And here is also about I will tell you about our tokenomics, guys. Here you can see this is a community driven utility based cryptocurrency that focus on food fun and also financial growth, and we have to design to celebrate our universal love of chicken, and also we have to rewards gamifications charity to create thriving ecosystem. So guys, here is our tokenomics. Here you can see our token name, how good is chicken coin, and this is our symbol, that is HGIC blockchain. This is, guys, on Solana blockchain. Here is our 1 billion total supply of this token, And guys, you have to must join this. I personally recommend you. And this is we have to do our much more about our platform that is on construction. And guys, this is also on charity and sustainability program. A portion of their transaction fees to support sustainable farming, food security, and also environmental conservation initiative. As I tell you in start of the video, that is the main basic difference in other tokens, other coins in other this. So you have to differentiate by yourself which platform you have to join and why you have to join. This is the main difference that you have to take. And you hold this, then you can vote on which sport. So you have to main impact objectives of this amazing platform, a meaningful social impact, and also we have to enhance the brand's reputations as a responsible project. And guys, this is our roads crash, that is we have to do something like in different phases. Like here you can see in phase one we have to launch on Sol, then we have to build our website, our community. We have to give a look on our token tokenomics white paper. We have to release also our airdrop campaign, and we have to also list on the famous exchanges like decentralized exchanges, the Rhythm, Jupiter. Then we have to go to divide our token holders for stacking, and then we have to place our NFT collections. After that, we have to do develop a game that where you have to play and tap to earn. And then we have to do introduce our governance with features of community voting. Then we have to organize our global marketing campaigns that attract new users. And in phase four, guys, we have to fully global expansion. Full flight we have to do with our platform. We have to establish partnership with major food and other commerce platforms too. And after launching our game and also with our NFTs will be too. After that, we have to do a payment option across partner platforms. And then guys, we have to also do main our event, that is the expand charity efforts to a global scale. Then we have to do a new development of ecosystem features based on community input. So guys, you have to join our social medias account. You have to join this how good is chicken. You have to must taste it. It is very simple and best and so delicious for you. So I hope you like my video, you love it. So see you next video. Thanks for watching, guys.